This is a unboxing video for the portable heater and a very, in my opinion, super smart way to prime the diesel heater. I have had a ton of these. In the garage I had one, in the EV car I have one, in the fishing ice chant I have one, and I have one in the caravan, and I have sold a lot. And I was thinking about this one because I didn't want to take it apart to prime the diesel heater, so I was thinking it should be an easier way. So a light came up and I was thinking, if I prime the pump and sniff the exhaust pipe until it starts to, if I can smell the diesel from the exhaust, this is a new pump, never been started, if I can smell the diesel fumes or the diesel from the exhaust, it should have primed enough. So this is my theory about that, and this is the way I did it. But does it work? And later in the video, when it eventually starts, or does it start the first time, it smells like nothing. and I go through the settings and stuff like that. This was actually a smart way to prime the pump, and I haven't thought about this ever. This is like my 10th diesel heater, so, but sometimes a light come on there upstairs. Enjoy.